Hi, wonderful people, businessmen and women, aka Watu wa Biashara. My name is Edwin Bogwa, co-founder and data analyst at Biashara Book. Biashara Book is a mobile-based bookkeeping solution helping micro, small, medium enterprises in record keeping, managing sales, demand, and debt collection instead of using the traditional pen and paper to keep these records, to help them leverage on technology for their growth and profitability. Today, picking up from the previous video that we did in terms of how to create an account, how to load a stock, how to be able to make and record our first sale and also an expense. Today I'm going to take you through how to be able to even load your customer data on the application as you're making a sale. So when you go to the dashboard, remember we have two options. There is this part and also the point of sale. So here, this is straightforward, where you can be able to key in your customer name and the phone number. And when you say phone number, once you click here, it will to go to your directory. That is the first part. So this will be saved automatically. It will not be visible on your dashboard, but when we go to the reports, we'll be able to see it. So on the point of sale, once we are selling, you can be able to add our customer's name. So for example, we'll say Nike Air, you'll say Maxi Dress, and then we click on that, and then here you can proceed immediately, but you can be able to for that, so that you have information about how your customers spend on you. So this could be maybe Ruth, and you can say Joel, Ruth and Joel, depending on how you say it, how you know them, or how the details that you ask them and they were willing to volunteer. So Ruth, maybe you can say Kate, and then the number will be 0710 and then 506677, and then you can say save. So that is how now you are tying this order to this particular customer. So the amount that they gave you, 4,000, they gave it to you in cash, or you have a way to accept mobile payments, you'll choose M-Pesa. So once you do that, then we go to the reports part of it. So on the reports part of it, you'll be able to see the customer. You see that this customer, whatever particular item they bought, you can be able to see the name here and the contact that you saved. So you can be able to sell without giving, without asking for their contacts, or you can decide to ask for their contacts. How this will come along is you are able to serve this particular customer to their liking. I believe you have ever searched something on Google, and immediately to search something, once you go whichever site you visit again, you're going to start now being bombarded with ads in regards to that particular product or similar products. What Google has done, they have known how what you're looking for, and what you're looking for, there is somebody who's selling it. So you're at a better and more likely chance for you to buy that particular item because it is per what you are looking for. So similar case, if a particular customer comes to your shop and they buy this particular dress and they are used to buying this particular dress, and then you happen as a small business owner, you happen to come across maybe another similar dress like that, you can be able to call them, or you can be able even to share with them on WhatsApp. Speaking of that, once you make a sale using point of sale, there are receipts. So these receipts will capture the total amount that was spent and the mode of payment that got to be used. So right now you are seeing M-Pesas only. So for example, we go and make one for cash. So we go to M-Pesa, we load, we go to point of sale, and then we load that, and then you can be able to say 125. This you are paid using cash. So that has been saved, income has been saved, and the receipt has been saved. So you go to menu, then the receipt, and then you can be able to see that. So you can be able to view that, and you'll be able to see how that is captured, the total amount that is captured, the M-Pesa amount that was captured, and the change that was captured. So the title, remember the company name, as I told you in the previous video, now becomes it will be the title there on your receipt and the receipt ID. If you have staff, they'll be able to come in as the cashier name and the point of sale one. So your phone will be, if you have 3 sales men and women, you can be able, those are 3 point of sales, so you can be able to pinpoint which point of sale or from which account of this staff that this sale was recorded at. So that is how one goes about it. So this is for the previous sales that we did, and you can be able to categorize them, and they fall into dates. So similar to what you want to view, if you want to view even the previous day receipts that were there, you can be able to backdate and you'll be able to see that. Or even by default, you can be able to see all the receipts that you have done. Assuming that we have 4 months, you'll be able to see all the receipts that range across those months. So that is how to be able to capture customers' information and to be able to know even how to serve them better. If there are any questions, if there are any concerns regarding the same or even Biashara Book as a whole, feel free to get in touch. On social media, we are Biashara Book. On Facebook, Biashara Book. On Twitter, @Biashara Book. WhatsApp 0710 506 677. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video tutorial. Feel free to share it out and let's get engaging. Thank you.